In this video, I'll show you how to reset Microsoft Teams on Windows 11 to fix common issues like crashes, loading problems, or sign-in errors. Start by opening the Windows search bar. Type Settings and open it. From the inside hand menu, select Apps. Use the search field to find Microsoft Teams. Next to Teams, choose Advanced Options. On the Advanced Options page, scroll down until you see the Repair and Reset options. It's a good idea to try Repair first, since it fixes the app without changing your settings. If that doesn't solve the issue, select Reset. This won't remove your chats, Teams, or personal data. After clicking Reset, give it a moment. Teams will close in the background while Windows completes the reset process. Once you see the checkmark confirming the reset is finished, close the Settings window and open Microsoft Teams again. When Teams restarts, it may sign you in automatically. If not, simply enter your login details and continue using the app. For work or school accounts, the first launch after a reset may take a little longer than usual. And that's it! You've successfully reset Microsoft Teams on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.